am often asked, what is my disinfection process? So I wanna go ahead and show you guys exactly what that looks like. The first and most important step in your disinfection process is to remove all debris, dirt, and gunk from your tools. You have two options. You can do this with warm soapy water and a scrub brush and just use manual force, or you can use something like an ultrasonic, which uses vibration and heat to actually knock off that debris. Either way is right. It's just a matter of what's more efficient for your time. My next step is the actual disinfection process. So I love Lucocide RTU222 because it is a 60-second kill. So it's already pre-mixed. I'll go ahead and submerge my tools for 60 seconds. Now I'll also wipe down my station or any surface areas. One of the most important things with using a disinfection is making sure you read the label. So with RTU222, I know that I can spray it, and as long as that surface is wet for 60 seconds, I have killed the harmful pathogens. Once your items are fully submerged, go ahead and set a timer for 60 seconds. You wanna make sure that you're taking your tools out at that 60-second count. And then I will take them out, rinse them off, and put them on a drying mat. Once they are fully dry, I'll go ahead and store them. So I used to use this disinfection process, but since I have decided to level up, I now actually use my sterilizer, the MBO. So I'm gonna now walk you through my sterilization process, which is very similar. I'm gonna start off taking my dirty tools and cleaning them with warm soapy water. In my ultrasonic, I'm going to allow it to remove all of the debris. Then I'm just going to look, make sure everything is clean. I'm now gonna take my clean tools and put them inside my sterilization bag. I'm gonna make sure my bag is no more full than 3/4, and also trying to keep the metals from touching one another, and put them in my MBO sterilizer. I'm gonna walk through the steps in my sterilization. I'm gonna run it for 15 minutes. Once it's been complete, I'm going to take them out and use tongs because it is hot. I'm gonna put them away and get ready for my next client. So those are my two steps. Whether you're doing disinfection or sterilization, they are both wonderful. But the most important part is clean your tools. No debris should be showing. You got this. If you have any questions or you would like me to hear what your process is, what is working for you, let me know in the comments. Until the next video, make sure you're squeaky clean.